I just want y'all to know I just sat here and recorded a whole video and didn't ever hit record. I was talking to my picture format because I forgot to switch it over to video. But anywho, thank you guys for coming back to visit me. This is T of T Budgets, where I am following my journey to becoming my best version of myself, getting things together financially, spiritually, and just overall for me. So if that's something that resonates with you, definitely hit the likes and subscribe buttons to follow me along on the journey. I came up here and talked to you guys the other day, and I was showing you guys my little budget binder with all my little things in it, going over my budget. But what has happened is that budget is just, that whole plan blown up. I need to start over because when I was going through doing things, trying to give you guys the June month end closeout, I was looking and like realizing that instead of me looking at things always on the month scale, that I need to start doing things on a weekly scale. I think it'll be better for me, being that I have inconsistent income, so I can work with what I have. And then, I think it'll be better for you guys to follow me on that wave as well, instead of, being so constrained trying to figure out things for the whole month. And I also said I was going to show you guys the YNAB system, but being that I'm new to YNAB, I don't want you guys to get confused, and because I'm still learning the system myself, in which I like to use it because instead of me carrying physical envelopes, because I don't do cash stuffing because I keep the money, it's electronic. Instead of me, so I'll still use it on the background, but I won't show you guys the YNAB system just yet because I'm gonna still do stuff by paper because I'm not 1,000% sure if I'm gonna keep the YNAB system. So we'll work with it on another day. So I'll keep doing things by paper, even though I won't be doing cash stuffing because it will be electronic. You'll still be able to see what's where. So I got that working. I'm gonna completely redo all of my forms that I'll be using in here and some other things. But just to give you an idea of how things ended for June. June was a pretty decent month. All the bills got paid. There was some overspending in some of the flex variable and variable expenses. But there also was money that was left available at the end of this month that's going to roll over into next month and kind of give us a head start on the month of July, which is great. That just relieves a little bit of pressure. And then I'm also going to be able to put a little bit towards IRA, which I have to open one of those. So I'll talk to you guys about that too, because I don't have one open yet, but I am going to work on that. I'm going to start a little something. I'll be able to put some more money towards emergency fund, and then I was going to go ahead and like really start the snowball like headstrong, but I am going to hold it in a snowball sinking fund for right now. I'm not going to like physically pay it just yet because I may have some things coming up where I have to use that for something else. But that's neither here nor there. We'll talk about that when we cross that bridge. Okay. But yeah, so come back and meet with me Sunday at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and we'll do our weekly check-in for Monday, Sunday. 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and we'll go over, we'll go ahead and get things budgeted, go over everything, and then try to, budget for, we'll see where I'm at as of Sunday, and we'll take those funds and budget for the week in advance. We're going to do it that way, so that way we stay on track, okay? And if you like what you see, if you're on your journey as well, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, what have you. And I'll see you on Sunday. Take care.